Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Sam from Pixie Blue and today I'm going to show you how to create a smoky eyes look. I'm starting with a foundation. This one is Gemma Kid Light as Air and this colour is ultra light. So I'm working from the centre of the face outwards towards the jawline. Next I'm filling my eyebrows in. I'm using the brow definer from Laura Mercier. The colour is Warm. You need a little angle brush to apply this with. It is a cream. What that means is that it's a much softer finish than a pencil or an eyeshadow. I want to keep the smoky eye as simple as I can for you. I'm going to use two colours. This is from an Avon True Colour palette. This one is called Smoky Eyes. I'm going to use these top two here. So we'll start with the lightest one. We'll put that all over the lid. So we're taking this grey all the way over the lid up to the socket. And then with a clean fluffy brush we're just going to soften the edges. Now moving on to our darker colour, we're going to take this in the outside corner, I'll zoom in for you, almost in a C shape. So through the socket and then along onto the lid. Then with our same fluffy brush, we're just going to soften that. So the trick to getting your makeup to stay on all day is to sandwich it. Apply it, blend it, and then apply and blend again, and it will stay on all day. With that same colour, we're just going to run it under the bottom lashes. Now putting colour underneath the bottom lashes is what gives us that smoky look. Before we put any eyeliner on, what we need to do is clean up any little bits of eyeshadow that have dropped. So we're going to take our foundation brush and just wipe it under our eyes, just to get rid of any little specks of shadow. And then we're going to put a concealer under the eyes. I'm using MAC Studio Finish and the colour is NW30. So we're just going to take a bit of this under the eyes. Now you can do this with your fingers if you like. Next I'm going to move on to a black eyeliner. This one is Avon Super Shock Gel Liner, which is brilliant because it stays on the waterline really well. Now if you want a less dramatic look, don't go for a black eyeliner, go for a softer one like a grey. Very gently on the waterline. Now we need to put some mascara on. I'm using MAC Dazzle Lash Mascara. We're going to put plenty of this on. And that's our eyes done. Next I'm going to use a bronzer. This one's from Urban Decay. And I'm just going to dust this over the cheeks. I'm using a little Laura Mercier loose powder just through the centre of the face to take away any shine. On the lips I'm going to use YSL Golden Gloss. It's just a natural lip colour, so any natural lip gloss will do. I always think it looks quite nice if you've gone pretty strong on the eyes to go quite light on the lips, because then it doesn't look too over made up. And there you go, that's my smoky eyes look. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.